sun. So, pretty sure it's a red-tailed hawk. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful creature, man. And you can tell they got a distinct compared, like, it's so crazy. Because this one has a heightened vision, keen vision, super hunting skills, super intelligent. It soars. It has like camera-like eyes, man. They can see everything too. They're like, I feel like that's like next to under an eagle. Obviously, the eagle's a top, but this is like can reach great heights too. You can see everything. It's crazy. My nickname is Rarefeatherz. So I see some of the rarest creatures, and they come close. This is a spot I come to sun gaze, obviously with the sun out, but the hummingbirds been coming over here a lot. You could probably hear them. I see them, but it's hard to catch them because they fly around a lot, move around. But the crows, there's always crows. But look at this hawk right here, and there's black hawks, red-tailed hawks. There's all type of different hawks. Look at that. Wow. I love nature, and nature loves me, man. That's a beautiful creature. See, I get a little. It literally stared at me in the eyes, man. I felt something. That was crazy. Look at that. Let's see how. I'm not far. Right here, it's just at the top of the pole, the light post. So you can hear the hummingbird. They have unique sounds. They make a lot of different unique sounds. But it's so calm right now. Let's see, boom. Wow. And there's an owl somewhere close in this area too, because I always hear like a barn owl.